Hey guys, I need to get a new lens for this camera because I feel like it's so close to my face. But today, if you've seen the short that I posted recently of the Sleeper Accord build, you guys don't even know. So we got the 2008 Accord with the V6. Pop the hood. It's supercharged, baby. It's supercharged. You guys aren't ready for this. Heck yeah, baby. But no, we got the, which one is this?
Secret weapon. Or Weapon R.
The Weapon R cold air intake. We're gonna be doing an install on this bad boy. We did the muffler delete, well he did. I cut off the mufflers, he got the resonator, and then the pipes extended. And now we're gonna add on some power, baby. I do think cold air intakes do add some power because I did one on my Escalade, the daily driver, and I noticed a little bit of a difference. And my old, you guys are a long time subscriber, my old Accord, I did everything to it and you could definitely notice some power. So we're gonna install this intake and yeah, baby, let's go get some tools. All right, he's got the muffler delete. We're gonna do a little before and after to give you guys an idea. Rev it up. So that's what she sounds like before the intake. And then we're gonna do an after, baby. We're gonna get this thing put on. We're gonna do some interior shots too. Let's go. So she sounds like from the inside. Operation Sleeper Accord, baby. Ooh, I'm telling you, you're gonna, that VTEC, when you get that new intake on, yeah, the VTEC is gonna hit crazy, baby. It's not bad just for like a minor, I mean, it doesn't have any crazy fancy exhaust. Anybody that has a V6 Accord, just do like a muffler and resonator delete. That's all you really need. Whoa, why does it zoom? It's all zoomed into my face. Ooh.
Yeah, that's awesome.
That joint sounds nice. We're gonna get a little under the bridge. Yeah, just wait. Here we go. Here we go. Tunnel time, baby. Yeah, that sounded dope. That was dope. But yeah, now we're gonna put the intake on. All right, first things first. If yours doesn't come with instructions, this is all you're gonna need if you don't know how to do it. If not, I mean, I've installed a bunch of these, but yeah, you just kind of read the instructions. So that's all you gotta do. Take everything out. We got the air filter here. Get the air filter, I believe. I don't know if this is carbon based, but get rid of all the stuff. So here's the filter. So that's the filter. Here's your little tube we got here for the mass airflow sensor. And then these are just all the gaskets and stuff. So we're gonna start taking this thing apart. All right, so you just wanna take off all these bolts or screws, whatever you wanna call them, that are on the airbox. And there's only 4. And then you can also unhook the mass airflow sensor. Don't lose these screws, because you're gonna need them. Here's the mass airflow sensor. This thing looks brand new. Jeez, keep that in a safe spot. We got the airbox all unhooked. You're gonna wanna peel this guy off. I'm sure they make a tool or something for this, but this is what I got. Okay, so that comes out. You want to unscrew this guy right here, this band. All right, this is 10 millimeter. Unscrew this, and then this should pop out. Yeah, okay. Here's your airbox. Filter, which is super dirty. Look at that. That's from being on the road again.
Damn, is all that shit supposed to be in there?
That's what it's for. It's make sure that doesn't go in your engine. Oh. This on the ground, out of the way. And this clip needs to be removed.
There's these two.
Yeah, battery clips. Plug or something. There we go. It was this, but whatever. Don't need that. Let me pull this clip off. Take this off. It's way bigger. I literally just had a 10 on there.
That one's all rusted though.
That comes off.
It's connected to a tube down there.
You know, this will come off right here. And that little tube will come off. Oh, okay. So this is your old tube. We can toss this in the pile of stocks. Let's not lose this piece. Okay, so now we go in here. Your different clamps, tubes. Ooh,
Stickers?
that's pretty fire.
Yeah.
Okay, so you got all your bands. What's this?
Oh, is that filter cleaner?
It's filter cleaner. That's cool. They come with filter cleaner. Grab the tube. Open it up. Just when they get dirty. You'll know. Pop the hood and it'll be like. And you want to put this guy in here. That's airflow sensor. It only goes one way. So make sure they're lined up. Screw hole. This, you can see, it only goes one way. So the screws that you saved, put them back in. Yeah, baby. That's how you turn your Accord into a race car. Going until it stops. You want to put your big clamp on here. Get this nice and tight. Tighten that down. Okay, you got the clamp on, filter. So now we can put this on. Alright, this is the hard part. It's getting this guy on really tight. As you can see, so once you get it on, it's not too bad. So we gotta get this on, and we gotta put it on here.
Back here is fine, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
They're just flexible. And then boom, this goes on there.
That clip is tight?
Yeah, it's on there. You just gotta figure out where we put the throttle body clip. That needs to go back on too. Be right back. Alright, so you don't really have to take the throttle body part out, tube. This is like coolant for the throttle body. I just take it out to get out of the way, but you don't have to. But you just make sure it slides down to this little barb, and then bring this back up right there, and you're good. So now what we're gonna do, start putting this stuff together. Pretty sure this goes in here. Push it over the sleeve. That goes on here.
Well, shouldn't you wrap this under it, right?
I mean, it doesn't really matter.
Like that.
Yeah, I'll probably fix it, but just get this in place. That goes here.
Now it's raining on us.
So let's get these clamps on. I wish I had my drill. Should be done 2 seconds. My other drill.
Wow.
Can use this. Haha. Make life so much easier. On. Make sure it's at the end.
What, like cut it?
Yeah. One of the smaller ones go over here.
Oh damn, they did cut it.
So now, because it looks on the picture, yeah, the
master goes down like that, yeah.
So let's put this on first. This will go right here. Oh, it's so tight. This one just like not the right size. There we go.
Is it tight?
Yeah. Okay, so now this can go over. Oh, there we go. Boom, right there.
Yeah.
Money, baby. So where's the other band? We need this. Hold that in place. Scoot this back. Yeah, slide that back. Now we just gotta adjust this tube. Probably do it like right here. Right here. Okay. this on. Throttle body. Oops, too high. All right, that's good to go. So we're gonna put all these tools away and show you what it looks like, baby. All right, not much to it. So basically the theory is cold air will go through here, spray it in where the intake is, and yeah, that's what it looks like. Cleaned up the engine bay a little bit, and we're gonna start it up, see what it sounds like. Damn. Yeah, it's definitely way louder. So we're gonna take it for a test drive and see how she drives. Wait, do it again with the hood down. Damn. Yeah, buddy. What do you think?
I love it.
I think it sounds way deeper.
It sucking in the air.
It's way deeper. All right. Here, go this way and we'll go on the main road so you can do a little pull action.
It's way deeper.
It feels a little, like, it sounds like it feels smoother. It feels a little bit faster. What the heck? Go left. Definitely feels like smoother. Yeah. It's way louder now. That's crazy.
I can literally hear it like sucking in the air.
Oh, a little pop action. Go straight. Yeah, that's crazy. Here from the outside now. Ooh, yeah, buddy.